The P-38 and P-51 can opener. The P-38 can opener was developed by the U.S. Army in 1942. It was first issued with food rations for the United States Armed Forces during World War II, including all conflicts up until the 1980s before MREs were produced. I believe the P-51 was developed in the 1980s, and I'm not sure if they were ever used in the military or if they were a military item. Let me know in the comments if you have any more info on this. The P-38 is said to be the greatest Army invention ever. These can openers are still in production today and are used for humanitarian efforts, disaster recovery, and are also in common use by civilians for camping and survival. These can openers are easy to use, very lightweight, and they have a very small footprint. So it shouldn't be a problem adding it to your kit or EDC. They are also very inexpensive. P-38s were produced by various companies throughout the years. The ones I have here are stamped U.S. Shelby Company. They are U.S. made, they are a new and current manufacturer, and they appear to be a quality product and very well made. I have the P-51 can opener here. Let's see how tough it is. I'll see if I can bend it. Pretty well made, pretty tough. I can't bend it. It kind of seems like I can bend it like sheet metal, but it's pretty tough. It's the way they manufactured it. Now, using the P-38 can opener is pretty easy. I'm using the smaller one just to show you how easy it is. The larger one, the P-51, has a larger handle, but I'll show you with the smaller one. Here I have an empty can, but I'm using the other side for the demonstration. Basically, you take the P-38 and you take the blade and you just fold it out. It's about 90 degrees. It could be a little less. But basically, if you notice on cans, there's a lip that goes all around the can. And on the P-38 there's a little notch here, and that's a little hook, and you would put the lip of the can in the notch and the bottom hook goes up against the bottom part of the lip. And if you notice the blade, it's in the proper place for making the first cut. And you would basically firmly hold the P-38 and cut into it in this fashion, making sure that that hook is up against the bottom of the lip of the can. And you would just press into it with your thumb, cutting into it. Lift it up, move the can opener towards you, getting grip on that hook again, cutting into it again. So the can will be turning counterclockwise. If you're going camping or preparing an emergency food pack, don't forget to tape a P-38 or a P-51 on your can. Here are some interesting facts. The P-38 is 38 millimeters in length, or 1.5 inches. The P-51 is 51 millimeters in length, or 2 inches. The P-38 has the same designation as the P-38 Lightning fighter plane used during World War II. The P-51 has the same designation as the P-51 Mustang fighter plane used during World War II. The P-38 was known as the John Wayne because John Wayne supposedly showed how to use it in a training film. The P-38 and P-51 can also be used for other things such as a screwdriver, a box opener, fishing line cutter, and many other things. You can find the P-38 and P-51 can openers on Amazon or eBay, at your local surplus store, or even possibly your sporting goods store. I would highly recommend getting some of these. You can keep them in your wallet, glove box, backpack, emergency bag, desk or kitchen drawer, toolbox, tackle box, in your pocket, or on your keychain. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to see more videos, and have a great day.